Hi viewers, Samanath Small Steps Trader channel. So before going to the video, this cheat me. Design a trading system that will trade less often. So it is very much important. For one example, if you say those who are doing the commodity trading with a 1 hour candle, it will give a lot of buy and sell signals. If you keep the 2 hours, the buy and sell signal, number of buy and sell signals will be less. So this is one of the example I am saying. So like that you decide your trading system, what are the indicators, what are the time frame, so all this. So the point here is design your own system that give the less number of trades. Okay, now we will go to the video. Before that, disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. That will lead you to a professional trader and a good investor. I will go to the video. So first we will look US dollar index. So the US dollar index, this place we expect that it will go to the upper channel mean resistance, but it couldn't able to make it. So it continuously in the downside. So if you see the left side, the day chart, this also is continuous in the downside. Now it is very much close to the near to the oversold, but it not came to the 30 line. It's close to the 35. So still it has to come down, but there is no. It's because of it's like close to oversold. Don't think that that trend is near, the uptrend is near. No, until confirmation you will get. Don't decide that. Now we will go to see the gold. So gold continues in the, see from this place is continues in the upside, but the momentum is quite less, but the direction is in the opposite direction. So always try long unwinding attempt, don't try short covering attempt. And if you see this left side weekly chart, this is the psychological resistance 2020, but now it is very much close to, now it is 2016, just a $4 behind. So if that breaks quite decisively, the next target would be 2100. So that range it will go. Now we will see in the MCX chart. See the gold same price pattern. So this is the area where the US market holiday, all this stuff reflected here. Now it's again continuing the opposite movement. The left side is the 60,000 call option. There are, you can see a lot of empty place because this contract, this option contract, recently it has came up this contract. So it has it required time to mount the liquidity. So then only we will get the clear picture on the option contracts. So anyway, we started tracking this 60,000 call option while the price was around 60,000. So it was, if you see in this contract, it was, just a moment, I will restate it. So it was 700, near to 700. Now it is close to 2000. Now we'll see the silver. Yeah, it seems very much replicating the gold price movement. So this was the US holiday period, and now it is again the momentum is gaining. So if you see the left side, it's very well above the channel support. So the next psychological support would be this level, and the target would be this 2035 is the target. Now we will see in the MCX. Same global price pattern. So trend is in the upside. So always try long unwinding. Don't try short covering attempt. The left side is the 75,000 call option. When the contract was introduced, the price was around 71,000. So we started out of the money, we started tracking. So it was around 2,200. It has gone to 3,600. Now resting at 3,265. Now we'll see the crude oil. So see the clear downtrend, but see this price movement is close, it hovering the resistance level. So it has to next move, it has to come in the support line. If that doesn't come, it will act as a, see this act as a triangle. There are chances it will break. So whatever it may be, if it break in the upper side, the direction will change. If it breaks in the downside, it move towards the support line. So same thing you can see here. So if it breaks downside, definitely it will touch the $70. I will see in the MCX. Same price pattern. So don't try short covering, try always try short covering, because the trend is downside. Don't try long unwinding, but now it looks like a sideways movement. It's better to wait for some time, then you take the position in crude oil. The left side, the 6,500 put option we started tracking. So it was if you see, this is the level. So it was very high price, 560, then the prices moved in the opposite direction. So you see exactly it has come down. So again, if you see from here, again it has the prices moved in the upper side, again it has came down. So it's exactly replicating, but the premium is quite huge. So if days goes, the premium is less. So then try in the crude oil. I would see the natural gas. You see the divergence here. So it has the lower low, but if you see in the indicator, it is higher low. So it signals that the next move would be in the upper side. If exactly you can see in the left side weekly chart, it touched the support line. Now it's trying to move in the upper side. So that's what it exactly replicating here. So for natural gas, we can expect the further move would be in the upper side. The same thing we will check it in MCX. See this is the divergence. So here lower low, but here higher low. So the next move we can expect in the upper side. So if you see the indicator, it moving towards the 50 line mark, very close to the 50 line mark. Same thing in MACD also, it very much close to the 0 line. So as the next movement would be in the upper side, now we will start tracking 250 call option. So now presently at 250 level. So we started tracking the it was 12 rupees, now it is in 15 rupees. So those who are unable to make the margin to trade in future, you can try option contract. I hope this video was very useful to you. If you like to see any other information, mention in comment box, we will address that. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.